Good evening and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at Disney's Coronado Springs Destino Tower. Are you ready for today's room tour? Let's head inside and check this out. Would you take a look at that? Right off the bat, we have vinyl plank flooring, really awesome. A huge sliding barn door, very modern, very classy, very nice. Attached is your bathroom, your commode, which houses the toilet. That closes just like that, watch your fingers. And disappears right into the wall. You have your toilet, the little touch of class, modern artwork, plenty of towels. Dual vanity sinks, featuring of course H2O products, which they said they were going to go away pretty soon, but here they are years later, still around, so who knows. I do like the smells. It definitely reminds me of vacation. So in here in the shower you have more of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and a very sleek rainfall type shower with attachment, and by far one of the cleanest shower pans I've seen. When you take a look at that, I wouldn't expect anything less. This is really awesome. Over here, you have a standalone wardrobe, which has interior lighting, extra blanket and pull up above, daily laundry service if needed. Ooh, check out those prices. Ooh, $15 for a suit. Socks, $3 to launder your socks. Wow, and then towels, $4 each. Handkerchiefs. Who has a handkerchief? $3 to clean that. Otherwise, there is an ironing board, an iron, and an in-room safe, as well as a luggage rack. If you don't know what that was, that is a luggage rack. That's actually where you put your suitcase. So ideally you would actually unfold it and put it right there so you don't have to reach all the way down to the ground to pick up your items in your luggage. Over here you have a nice flat screen TV, which is approximately 55 to 65 inches, I'd estimate. I don't really have a measure on me, a tape measure, so I can estimate it's a larger size. It definitely is very nice. Samsung, very modern. And an individualized Keurig coffee maker featuring Joffrey's coffee K-Cups. Down below we have our mini fridge. Keep your drinks chilled. And a little desk area to do some work. Look at me, I have a chair. And a little welcome message, along with other events and things to do all throughout the day and the afternoon, both at this resort and other resorts. A little chair here, I'd say if I have to put my shoes on, this is a cool little bench I can put my shoes on, and a little trash receptacle to separate the two, the recycling from the trash. Nice kind of retro styling on this accent chair and a little sofa. However, it's more of a love seat, I want to say. Oh, look at that, little out of place. Let's go ahead and fix that little arm protector here. This here actually is not a bed, so there's no bed down below. So if you have maybe a little bit shorter guests, that's maybe 5 feet or smaller, they can definitely fit on that. And I just noticed a little hidden Mickey here on the glass. Pretty cool, check that out. Accent mirrors, another one across the way to match, but look at that, a nice huge king size bed with accent lighting above the headrest as well, headboard. But take a look at that down below. That's a pretty cool feature. So if you have extra suitcases, you can definitely store them down below and out of the way, other than being over by the front door. And nice, tasteful, and modern lamps with the nightstands, and over here a nice modern digital thermostat. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort at the Destino Tower. If you liked today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone. And here's another little bonus feature. Check this out. Over here next to the bed, there are these little flashlight things. There's another one on the other side over here. Let's go take a look at that.